a blizzard in there.
Blizzard in a bottle.
The first thing that we're going to do is pour some of this tempera paint into our jar.
How much?
Let's just give it a big squirt.
Big smushy squirt. Yes. That good?
Maybe one more squirt.
Squirt.
Okay, perfect. Now take this water and pour just a little bit of it in there.
Oh my goodness. How much?
Let's see, I'll tell you when. That's probably good. Now stir it up with our stirring utensil. Is it all mixed in real good?
Yep.
All right, now put a couple shakes of glitter in there.
Make it all sparkly. How we do? Turn it. Oh.
Whoa, okay. All right, now slowly pour the oil on top.
The baby oil?
Yeah,
How much?
all of it.
All of
But
it.
pour it slowly. Oh, okay. Okay, so first off, what are you noticing here?
The oil's letting out of the top because it's less dense.
That's right. Okay, so now
I'm going to try to mix it in.
we're not going to try to mix it in. We're just going to drop one of these effervescent tablets in there. Maybe break it into a couple little pieces.
I can't open it.
Oh, here, let me help.
Wait. How many? One?
One, and I'd break it into a couple little pieces that you put in there. Like break it into 4 pieces or something. All right, put the other pieces in there.
It's kind of like a lava lamp.
Yeah. So do you know what's happening? What does that effervescent tablet do?
Ew.
Is it making bubbles?
Kinda.
Yeah, and those
then
bubbles
are
are,
floating up to the top,
yeah,
and then it sinks down.
yeah. So the gas from the tablet captures the water and brings it up to the top. The gas in them pops, and the water and the paint sink back down.
Yeah. Can I drop this one in?
Sure. Oh, it's like a blizzard in there.
Blizzard in a bottle.